Hello, my friends. This is Mrs. DLC. I'm coming to you today with an unboxing. Well, not sure if it's an unboxing, but I've already taken it out of the box. I have not carried her yet, but I am excited. So, step one, when I purchase a new bag, the first thing I want to do is to see if I can fit my accessories in the bag to test how I'm going to carry it. Now, since traditionally I am a big bag girl, I really do this when I purchase smaller bags. So, today's bag that we're going to do the test run on is the small Maggie. I have two of the large Maggies, which I absolutely love. This one I have been eyeing for quite a while and decided to pull the trigger on this one. And it is the Coach Maggie. It has the deep blue leather and the tan, and it also has the strap. So let's talk a little bit about the bag. The bag itself, as I said, it comes with its hang tag, the deep leather. It has the smaller monogram C's on the sides. The bottom of the bag has the gold feet. Then you see the back has the leather handles, which are adjustable up and down in the front and in the back. At the top of the bag, it is a zipper that goes across, which is different from the large Maggie. The large Maggie has a magnetic closure, which is a flip closure. This one has the zipper across with the beautiful deep blue going across the top. Love the accent color. Now, the other difference between the small and also, I still have the tag here, just purchased this one. Between the small and the large is that for the large, the straps are not removable. They are removable here. I'm going to take these off for a second. And the strap is pretty long and it has 7 holes on the strap with the gold accent. So I'm going to set that side for a minute. So now you have the little round rivets, and let's talk a little bit about the test run. So part of my test run is just to see if my essentials fit in this bag. Now here, I haven't talked about this. This is a cutie. I purchased her from Amazon, and I will use this. I normally have something on the outside of my bag to carry my AirPods. When I'm out and about, I like to be able to use my phone hands free. So I will put my AirPods in here, and I thought that that blueberry of this little bag charm went so well with this bag. So I do like the way that looks. So that passed the test there. Secondly, I'm going to go through the items that I put in the bag to see if they fit. So I'm going to tilt you a bit on the camera. Let's adjust this so you can get a better look at what we're looking at. So let's see. There we go. So on here, let's unzip her. I'm going to show you everything I carry in here. You see I have the zipper tucked in. I'm going to untuck that tab here, and I'm going to give you a peek in the inside. So let's start with, of course, I'm going to carry my phone. So my phone is in here. This is a 17, iPhone 17. I have my keys. I carry my keys with me. I have a little card wallet. I love carrying card wallets. They're just quick and easy. I can have my ID and those most used cards. So this is something I carry in all of my bags. And that is there's a front slip pocket right here. You can see that very well. Slip pocket here. See if I have oh, I thought I had a flashlight here. But there you go, you can see it. That was in that slip pocket. The next is, now I am a long wallet girly. So this is different for me. This is one of Coach's, I call it a two-way wallet. The one reason why I do like this is because I do carry bills with me. So that's why I lean toward long wallets. But this one does have the bill holder here, and it also has card slots. One, two, three, four card slots. So I am going to try the small wallet out, see how it works for me. The back of this is why I call this a two-way. And it does have where you can have this card wallet. It has a zip top for change or receipts, whatever you want to put there. And then it has two card slots. So I have this that I can carry, and it fits very well in here. Put that back, snap it back together, and we're going to try her. I also have that I put in here my pencil pouch. Now in here I normally put my cosmetics, hand sanitizer, any lippies I have. I may drop a ink pen or two in here, but I normally put all of those things in this. And I have my eyeglass case, and I probably already have some sunglasses, yeah, with some Coach sunglasses in there already. So this one is ready to go. Now, since this has a strap, I can carry it on the outside, giving the inside of my bag more room. But since it hangs lower than the bag, I probably wouldn't do that. I would carry it in the inside. Then also I have my Coach notebook in here. So when I first purchased the bag, I had my notebook this way, and I thought, how cute of a look that is to have a kind of a double tone or double layer print of the Coach with the notebook showing and the print on the outside. So I may carry it that way sometimes, but for the most part, I probably would carry it the long way. So now here's a caution to you. If you are carrying the Coach notebook, do know that if you want to carry it the long way, it is a bit of a struggle to put it in there the long way, but once it gets in there, it's fine. So let's see. You can see that it's in there just fine. And that is all that I have in here. Now, I did tell you that I like a long wallet. So if I wanted to carry my long wallet in this one, I do have a deep blue long wallet that also fits in there. And I'm going to see if it fits with all of the other accessories. So I have that. I have my sunglass case. I have my keys. I have the small pouch. And let's see, I have the phone. I have the small wallet, which I don't think I would carry the small wallet and the long wallet, but I'm going to put her in here, see if she can fit anyway. And then this long pencil pouch I'm going to put in there. I'm going to lay her on top. And this stuff. And they all fit in there. I don't know if I had this in here, but here is a manicure set that will go on the side of this. So even with that, let me show you, let me get her down in here a little differently because she realistically I probably wouldn't be pulling her out as often if I have this small card wallet. Okay, here we go. So it's a struggle to have both of those in there. So I would carry one or the other, but they both fit. Zip up with no problem. Again, I would tuck that tab in here. And there she is. This is the Coach Mini. So she packs a lot and she has all my essentials. So I am in love. I will do another video when I actually carry her, but she has passed the test run. So stay tuned for any updates on this. And thank you all for joining, and we'll see you next time.